Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can sort your pets into like different slots on Grow a Garden. So it is this like slot right here. So this is the like slot that I'm using right now, and the pets that I can have is 3. So there's 1, 2, 3. So for instance, you want to put a pet in the third slot. You're just going to go to the third one first, and you're going to get your pet and put it down. I'll just go to the first one. You do need to wait a few seconds to switch loadouts though. So for instance, in the first loadout, there are 2 pets that I can pick up. For instance, I want to pick up this ostrich, and then let me see the pets that I have. I'll put down, for instance, the capybara. I'm just gonna put it down, and then where is the mole that I have? Hello, where is it? Oh, the pancake mole. Just gonna put it down. Damn, this pet is humongous. But yeah, that's how you can basically switch between these slots as well. So you don't need to kind of like carry them and put them back. It's just harder to do. If you want to change one, again, you can just go here and then pick one up, put it in your inventory, and then replace it with your other pet. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.